Honestly, in this Photoshop tutorial, we will learn how to color grade a photo in Photoshop from beginner to pro in a minute or less. And at the end of this video, I will show you how to do the same thing in 30 seconds or less. This video is very special, so even if you haven't watched any of my videos, make sure to watch this one. It might be very helpful. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Go to filter, camera filter. And my machine is a bit slow, so let me zoom out a bit. Okay. Now I will set my temperature to 8%. I'll set my temperature to, let's say, 40%. Then I'll set my exposure to 0.1. My white, I'll set my white to +8. My white +8. My blacks +6. And I will adjust my vibrance also. So as you can see, let's put them side by side. As you can see, already it's looking great before and after. Now, color grade is not because the image is not good or how it's looking is not good. That's why sometimes it's obviously like how you just want the image to look. So you're just trying to adjust it to the way you want it to look, okay, for your liking, or your client wants it to look that way, not because it's not good how it's looking. Okay, so I'm just going in for this look. Okay, so I adjust the vibrance to about 8. Now go to my calibrations and hue saturation. The blue saturation, I'll set it to about 70. And I'll set the red saturation to about 18. Set my red saturation to about 18. So I think let me zoom out a bit. Let me reduce my temperature and go back to basic and reduce the temperature to 10. Now I'll put my blacks to about 2%. My white. Let me give this a bit of highlight, +6. Shadows -4. My vibrance, I'll set it to 6%. Saturation back to normal. Back to my calibration. Set saturation to 15. And 70. So I think we are done with the look. This is the look I was going in for. But before then, I want to show you something. Now from the beginning, I thought we will be able to do this in less than 10 seconds or less. So I'm going to save this preset. So you come on these 3 dots, go to save settings, make sure default is checked, and here you can deselect any of the distance you don't want. If maybe you don't want the basic applications to apply, you can deselect it, but I want all. So go to your save, choose the direction you wanted your preset to save, and you save, giving it a name. This is Jaden, so let me see, Jaden, and I'll press save. Okay, now let's press OK. So we've color graded our image. Okay, now what if, so to do this in less than some seconds. We've already saved the preset and I've showed you how to save the preset. So let's go back. So Ctrl Z, let's duplicate, Ctrl J. Okay, and go to filter, camera raw filters. It's loading, don't worry, it's loading. My machine is a bit slow. Then come on these three dots, go to load settings. Then this is the preset we just saved. Okay, press on it and click OK. Boom, voila, you are done. So now press OK. It is our before and after, our before and after. Hi guys, if you learned anything or you found any video or anything valuable in this video, make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe. Not just subscribe, but also hit that thumbs up so you don't miss any Photoshop tutorial tips, tricks. And until next time, peace.